Colin left me alone last night, which is a huge positive. I was tired of that lopsided battle. It's gonna be a pretty flat morning and then a little bit of up to end the day. This is day 42 of my hike from Mexico to Canada along the Pacific Crest Trail, and we're getting close to Walker Pass. I said goodbye to the meadow that housed us for the night, and then we took a honestly very easy morning, 3 miles, 300 feet up and down to Landers Camp, and this would be our first water resupply of the day. Once we'd filled up with roughly 2 liters, we had about a 9-mile descent to get us to the next water cache. And I'd finally see my first big wildlife in 3 deers. As the morning progressed, you could really start to feel the heat come on. So when we arrived at the water cache, it was going to be important for us to camel up and carry out because this next climb was an absolute doozy. It was 31 degrees Celsius, honestly could have been hotter. And we were hiking right into the peak heat of the day. So it's peak heat about 2:40 in the afternoon, and I am taking shade underneath a large Joshua tree. But the only thing out here that gives any shade whatsoever, just trying to escape the heat. After nearly 2 hours, I'd thank my tree for its shade and then start another 2,000-foot ascent on terrible footing. I mean, it was just sand and slippery the whole way. And then Liv and I would finish off a big day rolling down to the next water cache and where we'd set up camp. Well, 27.5-mile day. I just pulled into camp here at the water cache. So we did make it. The last little bit was tough, but we're now about 20 miles away from Walker Pass, which will take us into Ridge Crest to resupply tomorrow before just zipping right back to the trail and finishing off the final section to Kennedy Meadows. So we'll see you guys in the morning.